Hi guys, welcome to Recipes from a Small Kitchen, where everything is easy to make and delicious to eat. Today I'm going to be sharing with you delicious broccoli and carrot fritters. These are perfect to hide the vegetables and also perfect if you have kids that don't like to eat vegetables. You can definitely serve them because they're going to love it. My kids loved it and they ate everything up. I also added cheese because, you know, everything with cheese tastes better. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This could be perfect as a side dish, perfect for appetizer if you have any birthday parties. Now guys, let's get started with the ingredients. Okay, so I have here 1 head of broccoli. What I did, I boiled it with water, medium heat, for 15 minutes until it was nice and tender. Like you can see, almost falling apart. And then I drained the water. I have here 4 medium-sized carrots. I washed it, peeled it, and then grated it. We're also going to need black pepper and salt to taste, of course, cheddar cheese, and 7 whole eggs. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start whisking my eggs together. So everything is well incorporated. I'm going to set that aside, and then what I'm going to do, I am cutting the stems out of the broccoli. And then I'm going to mash it all together. We want like a rough consistency. We don't want this to turn into mashed potatoes because we want broccoli florets to be known when we eat it. So nice texture into it. I added the carrots and the cheddar cheese, and then I'm also adding the eggs. Everything looks so good. We're going to season it with black pepper and salt to taste, of course. We're going to mix everything together. Look how good it looks. Everything is well incorporated, guys. So colorful. Now in a pan, I added avocado oil. We're going to fry this at medium-high heat. And I'm just spooning the mixture into the oil. We're going to fry this about a minute or so until nice and brown on the outside. Then we're going to flip it the other side and continue to fry until it's nice and golden. And then I am going to place these on top of paper towel so it can absorb the oil. Looks so good. Like so. And then you are ready to enjoy and eat however you like. It's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys can make it very, very soon. And I will see you on the next video.